Did you know that this spiky green vegetable has been around for thousands of years, offering not just delicious flavor but incredible health benefits? From ancient Greek myths to modern superfood status, the artichoke has a story worth savoring. The artichoke, a unique and visually striking plant, is both a culinary delight and a nutritional powerhouse. Its history is as rich and layered as its petals, stretching back thousands of years. Native to the Mediterranean region, the artichoke is believed to have been cultivated by ancient civilizations such as the Egyptians and Greeks. These early societies prized the artichoke not only for its flavor but also for its supposed medicinal properties. Greek mythology even credits Zeus with transforming a mortal woman into the first artichoke plant, a testament to its enduring significance in human culture. The discovery and cultivation of the artichoke were driven by the desire to tame and refine the wild cardoon, a thistle-like plant. Through selective breeding, ancient agriculturalists created a more palatable and less bitter version, which became the artichoke we know today. By the time of the Roman Empire, artichokes were a staple in the diets of the elite, often prepared with honey and vinegar as a symbol of wealth and sophistication. Romans believed the artichoke had aphrodisiac qualities and could aid digestion, a belief that would persist through the centuries. As the artichoke's popularity spread across Europe during the Middle Ages, it gained a reputation as a luxurious and exotic vegetable. Catherine de' Medici is credited with introducing the artichoke to France in the 16th century when she married King Henry II. Its arrival marked the beginning of its integration into European culinary traditions. Meanwhile, the artichoke reached the New World through European settlers, particularly Italian immigrants who brought their culinary heritage to the Americas. California's climate proved ideal for cultivating artichokes, and the state remains the largest producer in the United States today. Beyond its storied history, the artichoke offers numerous health benefits that have cemented its status as a superfood. Rich in antioxidants, particularly cynarin and cynarin, artichokes are known to promote liver health by aiding in detoxification and regeneration. They are an excellent source of dietary fiber, supporting digestive health and helping to maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Artichokes are also packed with essential nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin K, magnesium, and potassium, which contribute to overall well-being. Additionally, they contain prebiotics, which nourish beneficial gut bacteria and enhance immunity. Scientific studies have further validated the artichoke's health benefits, particularly its ability to lower LDL cholesterol and improve cardiovascular health. Compounds found in artichoke leaves are used in extracts and supplements aimed at promoting liver function and treating digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome. Its diuretic properties help reduce bloating and support kidney health, making it a versatile component of both traditional and modern medicine. As research continues, the artichoke's potential to combat inflammation, support weight management, and regulate blood sugar levels highlights its value in contemporary diets. This fascinating blend of history, culinary appeal, and health benefits makes the artichoke a plant worth celebrating. Its journey from wild thistle to prized delicacy reflects humanity's ingenuity and appreciation for the natural world, while its benefits continue to enrich our lives in the present day. The artichoke isn't just a food, it's a piece of history and a treasure trove of health benefits. Whether you're enjoying it roasted, steamed, or in a creamy dip, you're reaping the rewards of centuries of cultivation and discovery. If you loved exploring the artichoke's journey with us, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next deep dive into the wonders of nature. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.